Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right on Ghana TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. What's your for? $1 and cents.
The man, Sammy James. What's the IMF also say? We shouldn't release at every month more than 60 or 90 million. 60 million. Every month, Bank of Ghana, $60 million for the system. Now, how do we bypass IMF? And in the budget, as was presented to Parliament, strategically, they gave Sammy James $379 million. So that dollar was released to them. Knowing very well, see, I said gold there, to Ghana, and the tunnel, see near the top. See the little dollar, no, near cotton, near the dollar. But budget, no, you said that catch the IMF fund the whole world, say, I'm a parliament, $379 million.
You see the dollar, no? Back from bare 15 or 16 cities. You see, I'm 13 cities or no. And NDC4, they are taking credit. I'm say Ato Forsonomics, Atonomics, and all those inside Ato Forson. Bra, yanya yenim say, Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia, anye shikra no, ni gold reserve policy no, aboa cedi no, even from last year. Yenim say, Donald Trump, any the tariffs are affecting international trade bebree. And as it stands now, no, not much is going on the international front. But then you know more NDC musi debida and tro. Gbere say Ato Forson. Now media, mini shiko because say Ato Forson na ahana yewo. Assembly say and they are dollar no call for ma NDC4, they are taking full credit for it, no. Me pay no say. Yes, me pay the bonima Ghana. But say e China akoba say cedi no e depreciate here. The same NDC people, no, they should take full responsibility for the depreciation. Because when that time comes, no, we will be here to remind them. But businessmen have started speaking. And so let's listen to the actual reasons why the cedi is saying is doing well and dollar is coming down in Ghana vis-a-vis what NDC is saying. This has been the Political Rant with me, the voice, right on Ghana TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on notification that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. The actual video is coming next. Stay tuned.
To buy gold. It's a releasing man. Gold, no. Just you bypass. No Bank of Ghana release you. Ghana buying it, and they have fat gold board, and now you pump your good system, your flat system. So once you, as if I release 60 million, now konya 179 million, abefra. What will happen? If it demand and supply, it will be demand and supply. So since the supply no add also change demand, so quickly it will push the price will come down. Me, where I said I'm not an economist, but school cry no, so demand and supply cry today. Would the service and they say they be every month for 60 begum. No konya 379 beguma. What will happen? So strategically, but when the next budget review, no matter the dollar and be a sanfa, sanko faho, sanko ya wo na me, neko ya wo na me na wo. The minimum, when say also, government has suspended all payments. Contractor for. Contractor for. When you?
Is the government spending?
No. So government not spending no. See a track contractor near car. Obesa dollar koto caterpillar. Obesa dollar akoto grader. Obesa now they are not paying you. Until tipper truck who next can go good ya. And then government your obligations be break about no sa bond that they no make predict. I'm on my TSS young hold one. A free a equal a starting payment. You suspended all payment.
Okay.
So all the dollar government gets and also go.
Okay.
And young upon say Adam and a gold bond. Almost to gold now, no massa cotton, no massa almost some the $2 billion grab a good system. The dollar no Bank of Ghana Bibri. And you know they say a magic. The China buying started to say Odia. No se Kumasi Accra a friends and quite normal you know must suspend it. But there's a contract for us.
No, there one more.
Cape Coast there no. And the who a flower and I say a Kosombo. You know halted. Every contract halted. If you decide say you free there, you go see 2 months time. Uksika the money na aduane crown to be any. Wakant na so wakant.
Yes, I do.
Sika na ekoto manedem, enyi, ebenyi. Lemom immediately you start paying your debtors. Because when you drop it there, you know. Enti me there munko so hwiri. Munni asa mo man twene mun si ai friends mun si ai isi enkra bon se kan se kete musikete na eduru ha mo magana for trillion kakra le duru ha ya ibratra mu do ebe bia mon kai
But on the economy, the way
ejira change ejira to say you sim no cry
the economy and your fair.
Silent ke no na kwa be fa
But
so
you don't believe say it
aka kwanya
sustainability ni na
aka se start see etwa aka na and ebe hu say ejira ho na say eba fo ba na say ekoso. Now let me tell you the one sad thing. Say dollar be do thing. E pay me there because see no no now 1 million Ghana cedis. That time net okay first no 1 million 1.6 1.7 now to be to dollar 1.7 million now to be to dollar 100,000 and then I could do 10 no the same 1.7 no it be to 1.7 170 yeah you see the nyaska the nyanka be cut down more.
Okay.
Because you see the no cremono it me to baby.
Okay.
Now, kwanye ebe faswa ebe ka form for mine. Now let me tell you the other sad part.
Okay.
On the part of government.
Okay.
Let me say Ghana ha. Oku okuafo. Ye sumo mu pa ye dom. Koko ni etwa. Ye ko ton ne da $. They say no say tamane da 16. No say ye ko ton a ye nya dama 90,000 per ton. Yeah, betua 60,000. Yeah, betua cocoa for 30,000. Now, dollar na free 16. I be do 10. Every 16. I be do 10. Because you got ton cocoa no abrochire. E be 30,000. Be the amount buy pass or be to cocoa food. Cocoa for 1 2 1 problem. Yeah, who now? Yeah, cause you see a cat there, you grow the Adam pass anyway. It has so many. That's why economists insist that stabilize there. When you drop it, it destabilizes everything.
Okay.
When you increase it, it destabilizes everything. And do the more Ato Forson ambasso. More president, yeah, more naked, yeah, president, why are you naked? When it's yeah. Yeah, make way.
Oh, I said, David, the energy was I am an hope I.
And I said, wife, I chat my wife. When did you want to?
Chairman, no matter.
Mumma naked, Mo fanam krom.
Me da se. Unim chairman who dey put the man and this who dey apa. Because bottom line is that some more okano or can say credit rating agencies, they haven't considered everything in totality and they've given this rating. But manti Ada meti B plus manti Ada meti B plus but manti Ada wa kuva do abamu but even assuming pose CCC ni American say now we don't status I want to mean na video we are not genka say we are out of the woods yet and nobody in NDC has said that. Inti ni aminu e kanu eno no